Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. I am your host, Brian David. So for today's video, let's talk about our parents. Okay? Our parents, no, are the first teachers sa buhay natin. Alam naman ng lahat ng nandyan, di ba? Hindi lahat ng mga tao ay mapalad magkaroon ng heroic parents, no? Parents na i-look up natin, na gagayahin natin, no? Na parents na magmo-mold sa atin. But to those people that are lucky enough, no? Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. Try to spend more time with them, no? Credit them for all their efforts. Say thank you to your parents, to your mom, to your dad, no? Kahit hindi mo tunay na parents, yung may stepdad ka na mabait, stepmom ka na mabait, magpasalamat ka. Kasi when the time comes, no? When their ticket on this world is expired, syempre, aalis din sila, no? Don't make a mistake na pagsisisihan mo sa huli. Like, I should have said I love you. I should have done this. I should have done that. Ayan, hindi ako nakapagsabi ng thank you dad, thank you mom. Okay? So, try to appreciate your parents. Okay? Try to embed the values they taught you, and wag tayong masilaw sa mga bagay na naibibigay nila, no? Sa mga material na bagay na naibibigay nila or sa mga hindi nila naibibigay, but i-emphasize natin yung efforts nila to be our parents, kasi yun naman talaga yung role nila sa buhay natin, 'di ba? Sila yung dapat mag-guide, yung pinakaunang foundation ng values natin, ng character natin, ng personality natin, no? The way we grow in this society, in this unfair world. So, if lucky ka to have that kind of parent, be thankful. Okay? Mag-thank you ka, i-hug mo, sabihan mo, I love you ma, I love you pa, I love you mom, I love you dad, no? If you are not lucky enough, just pray for them. Okay? Yun lang yun eh. Kesa maghiganti ka, magtanim ka ng galit, ikaw rin kawawa. So, yun lang, no? Again, appreciate your parents if they gave everything to you, no? If you can see them working so hard, halos wala nang pahinga, say a little bit to them. Simple as the word thank you, and promise, I tell you, napakalaking appreciation na yan para sa kanila. So, yun lang. Huwag mong kakalimutan. Mag-thank you ka sa kanila. Okay? So, this is Brian David. Thank you for listening, and stay safe, stay healthy, and stay disciplined.